Hi, it's David Thus from King's IT to chat about moving your course online for the next few weeks. I've heard from a number of instructors that they'd like to keep it simple and dictate their lectures over their PowerPoint slides. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. As with another meta presentation about Zoom, I am using a screen capture tool so that I can record the Zoom interface. This can have the effect of introducing a slight delay in the audio for this video, but does not reflect real-world Zoom usage. I'm going to start by launching a Zoom session I previously configured. Be sure to check out the other Zoom videos on how to set them up, how to record and then upload to OWL, and an overview of the Zoom interface. So once inside Zoom, I'm going to click on Screen Share and select my PowerPoint file rather than one of the screens. Click Share, and you'll note it'll bring me right to PowerPoint. On another one of my screens, it's actually showing that I'm doing a screen share. I'm not sure why it's not just showing on this screen. If you're using multiple screens, just be aware of that. So from here, I can just start going through my slides while giving my lecture. Advancing through the slides is painless. It's not different than what you're used to doing normally. And so you can advance through them, giving any sort of overview that you need to do. Should there be embedded videos, you can play those. Any animations will work. Again, this is just like using PowerPoint without Zoom involved, except in this instance, Zoom is recording this for later use, and it's also streaming it to your students live if you are doing a synchronous session. So once done, I'm going to just end my slideshow. I'm going to click on Stop Share on the Zoom menu. It is still recording live, so the Zoom session isn't done. But at this point, I can click Stop Recording. And once I exit the Zoom meeting, it will actually convert that file to an MP4. So I'm going to end the meeting for all. Now it is effectively done. And depending on the length of the lecture and your computing power, this can take seconds or minutes. Be mindful of attention spans though when creating these videos, especially since you're just doing a screen capture, your face isn't there. It is different at a computer than face-to-face. So breaking your lecture into 15 to 20 minute chunks within one lecture, in having some breaks is wise. It will mean more than one file for the lecture, but it'll aid students in listening and possibly re-listening to the content. Now I can click on that file to check things out. I'll advance a bit further ahead and play that. And you'll see that once I was sharing my screen in this particular video, it's showing that as well as the audio. So it's working as expected. So there you are. That file can then be uploaded to OWL. If you have any questions about this or anything else, check out owlhelp.uwo.ca or submit an ITS work request through MyKings, or get in touch with me directly, David Thus. Add some comments to the forums on the OWL faculty information page. There's a variety of ways to get help. So I hope this helps you, and I'll chat with you later.